Good evening friends, welcome back to my channel Excellent Manish. Today we will going to learn some magical tricks in advanced Excel. So that can be utilized while working and that is useful for everybody. Let's come to our sheet. Now you can see on my screen there are some sheet is given, some data is given that we are using the learning the how to we use the advanced selection function. Because why? If I told you please select only Samsung, what you will do? You control press and go Samsung, 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 Samsung. Okay, this list is small. If the list is huge, what you have to do? Let me tell you the smart function of this one. Select this one, Control F, find and replace. Now you put Samsung here and find all. Okay, go here, Control A. Now you find this function selected all the Samsung in this sheet. Now you can do anything. You can change the color of the box, you can change the font color, any color you want to use, you can use any color. You can clear the data, clear all, you can do the clear all, anything you can do. But if you do manually, it takes time. I hope this you understand. Now go to my tips number second. This tips is advanced transpose. Everybody know that if we want to the horizontal, vertical to horizontal, we are using the transpose function. Now what we have to do? Let me delete this one so easy to understand. Wait, let me clear it. No border, no color. Now first I will show you what is the drawback. Drawback is drawback of normal transpose function is you will find out. Now simple. Now if I want to transpose, what we have to do? Select everything. Okay, Control C, copy, go here, right click, what you find? Paste special. Okay, go paste special, you find in the bottom transpose and click OK. Now you can say everybody knows this and what you tell new things to us. Yes, I am going to new things to you because this is the normal function of transpose. Now what transpose function supposed to be do? If I change here LG 1000 to 2 quantity, but you can see in this transpose is not change. That is the drawback of transpose, but we are going to correct it. We are going to learn other way that can be work for us. Select the range where you want to put the transpose. Now control no is equal to transpose. Okay, this is the formula. Array means you are taking completely bracket 1 bracket close. Now control plus shift plus enter, you find everything will become as it is. This is the city, the product, everything came like his own way. Now you can say that was you can do in a previous way. So what is the new in this transpose formula? Yes, I will tell you. Now go and change LG. LG is 1000. You put 85. You can see from here LG in Kano from 1000 to 85. This seat now connected with the main seat, and transport function, advanced transfer function work to enable you how if you change in the master's data, that transpose data automatically will be changed. That is the way. Now we came to our tips number 3. You can find there's some data in the seat and we want to hide completely so nobody can read and nobody can write. If they write, this will be disappear automatically. That is like magic tricks. What we do, select the seat, okay, right click, go to the format cells, here go to the custom, here semicolon 1 2 3 3 times and okay. You see here everything is gone, but you can say you can delete, but no delete. Now you want to put anything. Let me put my name, Manish, Manish. Gone. You cannot see anything. You cannot. And this thing you can do for whole sheet also. Like if you don't want to show something on somebody, and if they want to know whether they think when they go for the seat, they think, oh, this seat is blank, nothing, right? But only many things is there. You can use that function for that one. Now come to our tip number 4. Tip number 4 means remove blank rows, because here let me make some blank rows here. You can see many blank rows. This is a small data, but you can use this data for maybe this data is supposed to be very lengthy. What you do, let me make it put up. Suppose let make more little big so easy for understand more. Here what to do, either you have to go select this one and write delete, but that is the not good system, because if the row is blank row is multiple and you have to remove by on the one click. So first you have to select all the blank rows. What you have to do, select the seat, Control plus J, you will go to special. Now special, okay, here is showing blank, select. You can see all the blank rows are selected. Let me do something more so easy for this one. Control G, special, blank, okay. Now all the blank rows. Now control minus means you have to delete. Always shift cells up. You find all the blank rows gone and your data will come on the proper way. This is my tips number 4. Now come to the tips number 5. This is the magical sum function. Why I use magical sum function? Everybody, like suppose give me one, let me give you example to you. Suppose I given this it to you and I say please do the total. What you do is equal to sum, open bracket, go here and do this. You say this can, but this is the simplest way Now what you do, if I show you, please do the total of this seat in this column mid. Many people can say it's not possible. Some people can do wrong. Now let me try normally. Is equal to sum. Open bracket, select all, close the bracket. Now what this means, there are one or more circular differences with the formulas. They first to their own cell and either directly or indirectly might cause them calculate incorrectly. Try remove the changing these differences to move the different cells. Means this not possible to calculate. Second thing, you go and use your calculator and type one by one. The old system, 1950, 1940. Nobody is using calculator for this kind of the sums. If you are working in Excel, you must understand advanced formula. Advanced formula make you more advanced. I will teach you how to do this. What is in this column is coming blank. Now what we have to do for this kind of the situation, we go to the file menu, go to the option. Now go to the formula. Now here put automatic, here manual. Do the manual, okay, and click. Now again go to equal to sum, open bracket and close bracket. You find the sum came. This called the magic sum formula. Most of the people don't know. They use the calculator, they horizontal, vertical, and then they will put the, it's take time. This is a small sheet. Maybe became the multiple sheet any other place, not in the mid. Not in the mid. You can find here also for all sum. Here also all sum. Can I show for you? Let me do. Let me remove the color. So easy to understand. Put any value like 520, 530, and let's take here. Either let's take here. What to do? Is equal to sum, open bracket, select all, close bracket. You find here is coming. Let me make it bold. So you get here. Does not mean it come the mid. You can choose any column. It will come. This is the magical function. Now come to the my tips number 6. What is the tips number 6 is important, and it is a time consuming tips. Suppose you are typing some data in one sheet of Excel and you want to same data on other sheets also. Is not one to, you can take 100 sheets same data. First option, let me show you. Let me type some data like name, okay, class, grade, okay, name A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, okay, class 5, 1, 4, 7, 10, 12, 8, 9, okay, and grade, first grade, second grade, fourth grade, first grade, third grade, and seventh grade, fourth grade, sorry, and fifth grade. This is a like example of one school data. Let make it bold and color so you get very well. You can see here, but this is a small. But if you are working in any organization, they want same data in next 20 seats, 10 seats, 100 seats. What will you do? First, what you have to do? You have to do copy, control, copy. Now go to other sheet and paste, control V. You have to do like this. If one sheet is okay, but if sheet is more than this, it is not good, because you have to take time. Nowadays, time is equal to money. If you waste your time in your working, you waste your money. You cannot earn the money. If you use the advanced level of the working, you can save your time. Definitely, saving money is equal to earning money. Now, let me tell you what we have to do. Let me delete this one. Now, this is the data. Okay. Now I want to, let me delete this one because this is not the too much data. No fill up. Now I want to use what I'm going to write here must be copied automatically in sheet number 7, sheet number 8, sheet number 9 and sheet number 10. What you have to do? First you have to control, select sheet number 7, sheet number 8, sheet number 9, sheet number 10. You go on. Now start to work like student, student. Okay, this white is given because white not showing because I changed the text color. Okay, student, grade, Manish, Suresh, Sunil, Vaibhav, Pankaj, Stella, Steward, Satnam. Okay. Now, grade first 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Like I give an example that this sheet you make in this one. Now you can check whether same data go to another sheet or no. Let's see. Sheet number 7, sheet number 8, sheet number 9, sheet number 10. You see it automatically gone. The automatic. Let me make it the color. Let's see whether the color is going or no. Go here. Yes, you got it. Means that what we are writing like I am living in Lagos. Let's see whether it's coming or no. Yes, 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 yes. On all the sheets data came. So it is the time consuming tips. This is copy to data to another sheet. That this was my tips number 6. It all the tips from 1 to 6 is the advanced Excel shortcuts. If you use in your working, you can save in multiple time. I hope you understand all tips very well. Please make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Please comment. Thank you so much.